So a comment came in on the last video that I need to address directly because it's a real problem and a lot of you probably hit the same wall. The comment said, after setting up the soundboard through VB cable, your microphone stops working inside Discord. Austin, can we fix this? Yes, we can actually. So where does this go wrong in the first place? It's almost always one small mismatch in your device selection, and I'm going to walk you through exactly where to check. Let's go step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your control panel. Then, go into Hardware and Sound. From here, click on Sound. This opens up your sound settings window, and that's where we need to go next. Inside this window, find your microphone in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Listen tab. This is where you'll find the option that says Listen to this device. Turn that on. Now here's the part that trips people up. Newer versions of VB cable give you two separate virtual devices instead of one: cable input and cable in 16 channels. So when you open that drop down here, you need to make absolutely sure the device you pick is the exact same one you're using as your output for music or game audio. If you mix them up, one cable for your mic, a different cable for your audio, you'll end up in Discord wondering why only one source is coming through, either just your voice or just the sound, never both together. Now, what if you want sound straight from a browser tab? Let's say Chrome, routed the same way. This is where most people get stuck, because Chrome doesn't let you pick an output device on its own. That's where an extension comes in. Here's the one I'm using. This is the Chrome Web Store page for it. Go ahead and add this to your browser if you don't already have it. Once it's installed, open a new tab and head over to YouTube. Play any song. It doesn't matter which one. I've got mine muted just for this demo so we can focus on the routing itself, not the audio. Now click on the extension icon up here in your toolbar. This opens up the output selection panel. One thing to know, these extensions usually won't let you select an output device until audio is already playing in the tab. That's why we started the song first. From the drop-down, choose the exact same VB cable device you set up for your mic earlier. Once that's selected, this tab's audio is now routed through the same path as your voice. Same cable, both sources, one clean input for Discord or your game to pick up. That's the full fix. That's it, guys. Hopefully you love this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, Windows Fixer. Catch you in the next one.